and unka all-round talent you will not find in the rest of India. Call him the comeback king, the clutch, the engine room. MI captain Hardik Pandya.
Give him a captain's welcome. Yes, make some noise. All right, he's going to be at the MI dugout right now. I need everybody to move there and welcome our captain, Hardik Pandya.
वाइब है बॉस, वाइब है, मचाएंगे पूरा सीजन मचाएंगे. That's the spirit. You know, you go anywhere in the world and you say you're from Mumbai and they say, oh, the spirit of Mumbai, and the cricket fans of Mumbai उतने ही आइकॉनिक हो जितने मुंबई की स्पिरिट है. तो पहली ताली अपने लिए बजाओ बॉस. You're brilliant. You're the Pulton. You've got a personality, you've got style, and you've got recognition. लेकिन अब बुलाते हैं अपने धुरंधरों को स्टेज पे. First up, coming up is a man who sent Kookaburra sailing into the Arabian Sea for fun. इतनी ताकत कि चर्च गेट से विराट ट्रेन अपने बाजुओं से भेज दे. When he was out in there, it was never over. Miracle man, MI legend, batting coach, Karan Pollard. It's in the air. But to give company to our darling from the West Indies is the man from the west of India. And unka all-round talent you will not find in the rest of India. Call him the comeback king, the clutch, the engine room, MI captain, Hardik Pandya! Mumbai, you're not, no, you are ready for this! Anido. That is some serious love. We always wonder, from outside, what it must feel when you step onto the field with these iconic fans, with all this love. Gentlemen.
Motivation, added fuel to our performances, our efforts. So, yeah, the crowd needs the players, so which is, we are very grateful for.
अपना ही शो समझो. जब चीखने का है, जब चिल्लाने का है, जब ताली बजाने का है, जब सीडी बजाने का बजाओ. Now we'll ask a question that every MI fan wants to know. Hardik, what are your dreams and goals for this team? And what will be the legacy of Hardik Pandya for Mumbai Indians?
See, ultimate dream is to win the IPL for the 6th time for our Paltan. And at the same point of time, the legacy, I think MI already has such amazing legacy. But I think I still remember जब मैं नया लड़का आया था, जो जुनून था, जितना मेहनत करके पूरी टीम ने सपोर्ट करके आगे लाया. I think going forward for our team and for Mumbai Indians, I want that culture to be there where people come out, work hard, play the best kind of cricket. I really want us to represent the best cricket which Mumbai Indians has ever played and the best cricket what Hardik Pandya has ever played, and that's what I want my legacy to be, and so for Mumbai Indians. Win trophies as many as possible.
As many as possible. And that's what my next question is related to. A lot of fans want to know, why does MI not have the representation of the trophies, the 5 stars on the jersey? Right? I mean, I'm sure you wonder, right? Why are the 5 stars not there on the jersey? What's the story?
I think the honest answer is that MI, we want to win as many as possible. We are very fortunate, we have 5 already. अब और आगे डालने के लिए फिर जगह नहीं बचेगी, तो फिर फ्यूचर में क्या डालेंगे?
Mic drop.
God was kind that I did well in that game. That shows the scouting, that shows the talent which the scouting has, that they didn't even come to see me, but they were able to identify that this kid has something special and he'll play for us for long. So that is what Mumbai Indians scouting does. That is what it does. So that's fantastic. You don't get that much.
So you said you were only a batter for 15, 17 years. So when did this bowling thing start, and when was the all-rounder Hardik Pandya ready for it?
Yes, I think I had to adapt. I think it's called Dhadkan. And I like to give answer as well, explanation. I think without the Dhadkan you can't do anything. Without the Dhadkan I can't hit sixes. Without the Dhadkan I can't run. So without the Dhadkan of our fans, I don't think Mumbai Indians can be Mumbai Indians. So the Paltans are our Dhadkan.
You want to translate that for me?
I said they are the heartbeat of us.
Okay.
The Paltan is our heartbeat. Without them we can't operate. Without heartbeat we can't operate.
Polly, you're from Trinidad. There has been enough and more of Bollywood.
जलवा ऐसा दिखा देंगे हम, लोहा गला देंगे, पानी जला देंगे, बिजली का डर तूफान को कह देंगे वहीं पे तूफान दिल मन से इस जहां पे छा जाएंगे हम दुनिया हिला देंगे हम